and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to be showing you how to do 2 pretty hairstyles perfect for summer and having all your hair up. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, ring the notification bell and subscribe to our channel. Let's start.
Hi guys, this is Marcela. I really hope you are well. As always, I'm going to start preparing the hair with hair oil. I'm going to apply just 1 drop all along the hair, and then I'm going to comb it. As you can see, the hair will be healthy and will look so shiny. For the first hairstyle, I already have all the hair into a ponytail. I'm going to split the hair in half, and then I'm going to separate a small piece of hair, like this. In here, I'm going to hold this section with an elastic band, and then we're going to place an elastic band every 5 or 6 centimeters all along this section. Now with the other half of hair, we're going to do the same thing, and I'm going to use elastic bands with the same colors. For the next step, I'm going to use a topsy tail. Maybe you already have seen videos where we use it as well. It's so easy. So we're going to start passing the topsy tail through this section of hair. I'm going to grab the half on the right side and then pull it to the other side. Now from the left side, we're going to do the same thing. Grab this section, pass it through the topsy tail, and then pull it to the other side. Perfect. In here as well is the same thing. Pass the topsy tail through the sections of the middle, then grab the right section of hair and pull it to the other side. And do the same thing with the left section. In here, we're going to keep doing the same steps until we reach the end of the hair. At the end, I'm going to hold everything with an elastic band, and we're going to go back to pull the hair just from the sides. In this way, we're going to create more volume and the braid will look more defined. And here we have the result. As you can see guys, it's so beautiful, and this is an easy way to do it. For the second hairstyle, we're going to grab a piece of hair from the top of the head. I'm going to comb it and then hold this section with an elastic as well. For this hairstyle, I'm going to use elastics of the same color so you can see it will look so cute as well. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to place an elastic every 5 centimeters all along the section until we reach the end of the hair. Now from the top, we're going to grab a small piece of hair from the left side, comb it, and using the topsy tail, we're going to pass it through the middle section and pull it to the other side. Now from the right side, grab a piece of hair as well, comb it, and pull it to the other side using the topsy tail. Now in here, we're going to add hair to the braid. So grab a piece of hair, grab the first section, and using the topsy tail, pass it to the other side. Now from the right side, grab a small piece of hair, grab the first section, and now using the topsy tail, pass it through the middle section and pull the hair to the other side. Every time that we do this step, we're going to go back and pull these strands of hair a little bit just from the sides. So we're going to give the braid a better shape. From now on, we're going to keep doing the same thing until we add the rest of the hair. Every time we're going to grab a piece of hair from each side and using the topsy tail, we're going to cross the strands through the middle section. In here, as you can see, I'm adding my last pieces of hair. And from now on, it's very similar to the first braid. Just keep crossing the strands and pulling the hair to the opposite side until you reach the end of the hair. At the end, hold everything with an elastic. And here we have the result. I think this braid looks absolutely beautiful. I love it. Let me know which one was your favorite.
We hope you liked this video. Make sure to leave us a comment down below telling us which of the two was your favorite hairstyle. We'll see you next week. Bye!